Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching sticky notes and signing into your Microsoft account so notes sync across devices. Once done, pin the app to the taskbar for one-click access. This saves time. Create your first note using Ctrl+N or the plus icon, then give it a brief title and a few lines of content to test formatting. You do this now because immediate hands-on practice reveals behavior, for example, how saving and syncing work, and prevents surprises later when you add many notes. Next, organize and format your notes so they remain usable. You can bold, italicize, or add bullets with keyboard shortcuts and the context menu. This makes key lines pop. Then color code and resize notes, dragging them into desktop zones to establish visual groups. This helps when you juggle projects. Once organized, use the built-in search to locate keywords, tags, or dates, because searching is faster than scrolling. Make sure to sync after major changes, so your mobile and PC copies match. Finish by using advanced features and preparing for problems. You can link reminders or tasks using its mentions and check Outlook integration for follow-up, which keeps action items visible. For backups, copy critical text into OneNote or save via OneDrive so you have an export. If sync or loading fails, sign out and sign back in, update the app from Microsoft Store, or reset app data from settings. Also verify your internet connection. This troubleshooting sequence clears common issues quickly, so you can return to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.